If you're a fan of style, speed, and comfort, you simply cannot go wrong with Pontiac's storied GTO. The GOAT practically defined the golden age of Detroit, and by the time its first production run was over, it had become the best-selling muscle car of all time. Located as a rolling chassis, this real-deal GTO is the beneficiary of a body-off nut and bolt restoration, thanks to just over $24,000 of sheet metal work. The car's solid body was meticulously straightened around new floors, a new fender, and a pair of fresh quarters. And naturally, the first-rate job included a slick coat of correct barrier blue two-stage paint that's highlighted by bright white pinstripes. Open the doors and you'll find a correct Parchment interior that plays well against this coupe's vivid profile. Firm seats wrap bright chrome trim around cool pleated hides. The engine's vitals are displayed by familiar rally gauges, which integrate a correct tachometer into a correctly padded dash. Like new carpet anchors a tall hearse shifter, and a custom sport steering wheel spins around a Pontiac-branded horn button. Pop the car's long hood and the first thing you'll notice is a 389 cubic inch Pontiac V8 that's been completely rebuilt and wrapped in attractive turquoise skin. That stout 389 sends power to a wide ratio Muncie 4-speed, back to a correct 10-bolt axle with posi-traction and 355 gears. This awesome GTO is a documented, correctly restored muscle car that features an ideal blend of performance and style. And thanks to ample power and striking aesthetics, it'll be an absolute pleasure to show and drive. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.